What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this picnic blanket here that we purchased recently because we were tired of using the blankets at our house and getting them dirty, so we decided to go for this thing, and so far so good. But in this video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the picnic blanket, and also one thing I think that you should know before buying it. So the blanket itself obviously has two sides. This side is the underside, and it has waterproofing material here to try to make it, I wouldn't say it's completely waterproof, but it kind of repels water. And then this side is obviously the side that you'd want on top. So the quality itself is pretty good. I think the stitching is good, things like that. The one thing I would say to note is that there's not much padding in here. I mean, this thing is thin, you guys. So if you're looking for something with a lot of padding, this honestly wouldn't be it. But if you brought a second blanket, or you weren't worried about the padding too much, which we haven't been, this works just fine. So as you can see here, the blanket is fully laid out now. One weird thing, they have this on the side where you actually would have your picnic, which is kind of awkward. That just basically helps secure it later. So that's a little bit weird, but obviously you can fold it under. But yeah, overall, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. I mean, it's a picnic blanket. That is going to be the one problem that I was going to mention. So the one problem that I would mention with this is that it is a thin, lightweight blanket. And you could tell, I mean, that was a decent gust of wind. But if you are going to have this and use it for a picnic, what you want to make sure that you do is you have anchors of some sort. Usually we just use our shoes when we do something like this, and use anchors of some sort to basically weigh it down so that the wind can't just blow it away. Because like I said, this is lightweight, you know, it is comfortable. I'm standing on it now and it's fine, right? It's good enough for exactly what you need. But if you're looking at a situation where it's going to be a windy day, there's another side, you definitely want to weigh them down on the sides. But other than that, I do think we've had a couple picnics now on this, my wife, our child, and myself, and we've enjoyed it. So I would say, yeah, this definitely, I think, is worth purchasing. I think it's a pretty, reasonably high quality product for the price. And yeah, we like it a lot.